After you've plugged it in, all you need to do is hold the programming button on the side of the outlet until the indicator light on the front blinks. Then simply press the desired set of buttons that you'd like to program that outlet to on the remote. Now you're all set. Using this process, you can program numerous outlets to one button or remote. You can also program multiple remotes to one outlet. To turn off multiple devices with a single click, it is always handy to use a power strip and plug it into the outlet that you have programmed.